You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy barista-style espresso at home. In fact, some of the best espresso machines under $200 combine quality, convenience, and durability in one sleek package. Here's a breakdown of 5 top-rated options that make cafe-quality coffee accessible and affordable. Number 1. Best overall, De'Longhi Stilosa. The De'Longhi Stilosa is hands down the best overall espresso machine under $200. It offers a 15-bar pump pressure system for authentic espresso and comes with a manual frother for creamy lattes and cappuccinos. Compact and beginner-friendly, it's perfect for small kitchens. Why we like it? Consistent espresso shots with rich crema. Compact, sleek design saves counter space. Great entry-level machine for beginners. Why we don't like it? Manual frothing takes practice. Smaller water tank limits capacity. If you want a reliable, stylish, and affordable option, the De'Longhi Stilosa is the top all-rounder under $200. Number 2. Best quality, Flair Classic Espresso Maker. The Flair Classic delivers professional quality espresso without electricity. Its manual lever system gives you total control over extraction, allowing for a richer flavor profile. Built from stainless steel and aluminum, it's a durable machine designed for purists. Why we like it? Produces high-end café-style espresso. Premium build for long-lasting use. Eco-friendly and electricity-free. Why we don't like it? Requires effort and technique. Not the most compact for storage. The Flair Classic is the best choice for quality seekers who don't mind hands-on brewing. Number 3. Best portable, Wakako Picapresso. The Wakako Picapresso is the ultimate portable espresso maker. Despite its tiny size, it produces strong espresso with impressive crema. It's designed for travelers, campers, and minimalists who want authentic espresso anywhere. Why we like it? Ultralight and portable. Works without electricity. Delivers cafe-quality espresso outdoors. Why we don't like it? Only makes single shots. Steep learning curve for consistency. For coffee lovers on the move, the Wakako Picapresso offers convenience without sacrificing taste. Number 4. Best pod machine under $200, Nespresso Virtuo Plus. For pod lovers, the Nespresso Virtuo Plus is unbeatable. Its capsule recognition technology ensures consistent brewing, and with one-touch operation, you get espresso or coffee in seconds. It's fast, convenient, and versatile with a wide range of flavors. Why we like it? Heats up in under 20 seconds. Hassle-free brewing with pods. Multiple cup sizes available. Why we don't like it? Compatible only with Nespresso pods. Ongoing pod costs add up. The Nespresso Virtuo Plus is the easiest and fastest way to get great espresso under $200. Number 5. Best smart machine, Capresso EC100. The Capresso EC100 offers smart brewing technology at an affordable price. It features a thermoblock heating system for consistent temperature and a swivel frother that makes milk drinks easy. Sleek and stylish, it's ideal for modern kitchens. Why we like it? Reliable heating for consistent shots. Easy frothing wand for lattes and cappuccinos. Attractive, space-saving design. Why we don't like it? Louder than some machines. Frother not as powerful as premium models. Summary: the Capresso EC100 is the best smart espresso machine under $200 for convenience and style. Enjoying high-quality espresso doesn't have to cost more than $200. From the versatile De'Longhi Stilosa to the portable Wakako Picapresso, these 5 machines prove that great coffee can be affordable, convenient, and stylish. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and start brewing barista-worthy drinks at home today.